So now chapter 14 story now we want to talk today. And the story today now when them trick Jacob with marriage. Jacob can't travel far until he can't reach one place for east. As he reached there, he can't see one well for one open field like that. And near the well, many sheep they everywhere because now for there now they give them water, make they drink. But as he looked the well, he can't see big stone cover the well, and now only the sheep owner and they feel they come out the stone to take open the well, give water to their sheep, and then close them after they don't finish. Jacob who asked one of the sheep owners say, "Where he come from?" Then the sheep owner can say, "He come from Aran." He can say, you know anybody when they call Laban? Now or grand pigin. The sheep owner can say, "Yes, so you know Laban, you know I'm where." Jacob can continue to ask whether Laban still dey okay. The sheep owner can say, "Yes, so." He can say, "Make you see the woman waiting for there, so." Say na Rachel, na Laban pikin, na him papa sheep na he carry for there, so. Jacob can continue to the talk story with the sheep owners. As in the talk, Rachel can carry all her sheep gather come the well. When Jacob can see her, he can help her remove the stone waiting for on top of the well. He can also help her and give her the sheep water make they drink. As they give the water to the sheep make they drink, Jacob can tell Rachel say him be cousin no, say her papa na him uncle. When Rachel can hear wetin he talk so, he can happy well. He can run, go tell him papa say their family member don't come. As Laban can hear the story wey Rachel tell him so, he can happy say his sister pikin don't come their side. He can welcome am well, carry him, come their house, make he stay with them. Jacob can stay with the uncle, he can begin the work for him. One day, when Jacob don't work for 1 month, Laban can ask him say, "You know good, make it just work for him for free. Make Jacob tell him anything when you want make it pay him." Jacob can think. He can say he go like marry Rachel as his wife because he like him well. Though Rachel get another senior sister where they call Leah, but she not fine like Rachel. He can't tell your uncle say he could work for him for 7 years if he agreed to give him Rachel to marry. Your uncle can agree say no wahala. He could rather make she marry Jacob than for him to marry another man. Jacob can work for him uncle for 7 years, but because he like Rachel, the time just passed like water. When time can reach, make him marry Rachel, he can't tell his uncle say, "Afana, time don't reach to take my wife." The uncle can say no worry, he can arrange party so then go do marriage. When evening time can reach, the uncle can tell he pikin Leah make he go Jacob bed for night make he go sleep. Jacob can sleep with him for night. When morning can reach, as he open his eye, he can't see who he sleep with. Now he can vex because no be Rachel be this. He can vex say uncle don't deceive him. When he ask your uncle why he deceive him like that now, your uncle can say, for their tradition, na senior sister na they marry before small sister they marry. Laban can say make he no worry, say make he continue to marry Leah. Say he go also give him Rachel if he work for him for another 7 years. Because Jacob like Rachel well, he no can argue. He can agree to marry Rachel, but he can also get to work for another 7 years with your uncle. The uncle can also give Leah and Rachel house help, where they go to help them as they don't marry so. When God can look Jacob, he can't look say he no like Leah like that, even though he don't marry her. Then God can feel pity for Leah. He can bless her with 4 better pikin, where they can call Reuben, Simon, Levi, and Judah. And so the story contain end of how they contain trick Jacob with sabi trick people well. Now thank you.